Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Evoque 2.0 D200 Autobiography diesel automatic and is ULEZ compliant. This vehicle is finished in Tribeca blue. To start off with, then you have your pixel LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 21-inch 5-split-spoke alloy wheels with a silver finish, really complementing against the Tribeca blue exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, allowing you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find cloud and ebony leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away to carry that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey that you may take. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The driver's seat is electronically adjustable, and as well as this, it is also a memory seat, allowing you to find a comfortable position and resume it every time you drive. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 9,676 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. You also have a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you're travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations, along with your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, along with Android Auto and Apple Carplay, which allows you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. You also have your 4x4 information, terrain response modes, and of course your wade sensing, making this vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may go on, ensuring that you are well equipped. The front seats in this vehicle are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as the colder winter ones. And pairing with this nicely, you also have a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, ensuring that you always travel at a comfortable temperature. The vehicle also features a 360 view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover Evoque 2.0 D200 Autobiography that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.